Sentences with work. I need to work today.
I need to work today.
She works from home.
She works from home.
Do you work on weekends?
Do you work on weekends?
He has a lot of work to do.
He has a lot of work to do.
We work well together.
We work well together.
They work in the same office.
They work in the same office.
My job requires a lot of work.
My job requires a lot of work.
I enjoy my work.
I enjoy my work.
She will work late tonight.
She will work late tonight.
Can you help me with my work?
Can you help me with my work?
I have to work on my project.
I have to work on my project.
His work is very interesting.
His work is very interesting.
We need to work harder.
We need to work harder.
She is looking for work.
She is looking for work.
I can't work without coffee.
I can't work without coffee.
They work in different departments.
They work in different departments.
I love to work in teams.
I love to work in teams.
Is this your work?
Is this your work?
I finish work at 5.
I finish work at 5.
He is very good at his work.
He is very good at his work.
She has a lot of work experience.
She has a lot of work experience.
I need to balance work and life.
I need to balance work and life.
We will work on the report tomorrow.
We will work on the report tomorrow.
He works as a teacher.
He works as a teacher.
I hope to find work soon.
I hope to find work soon.
They work for a big company.
They work for a big company.
My work is very rewarding.
My work is very rewarding.
She is proud of her work.
She is proud of her work.
I usually work 9 to 5.
I usually work 9 to 5.
We must work together to succeed.
We must work together to succeed.
His work requires a lot of skill.
His work requires a lot of skill.
I will take a break from work.
I will take a break from work.
They are looking for temporary work.
They are looking for temporary work.
I often work overtime.
I often work overtime.
She likes to work with children.
She likes to work with children.
My friends support my work.
My friends support my work.
It's important to enjoy your work.
It's important to enjoy your work.
I need to organize my work desk.
I need to organize my work desk.
He will work on his presentation.
He will work on his presentation.
We can work on this project together.
We can work on this project together.
She takes pride in her work.
She takes pride in her work.
I have a meeting at work today.
I have a meeting at work today.
They want to improve their work conditions.
They want to improve their work conditions.
I feel productive when I work.
I feel productive when I work.
She is taking a day off work.
She is taking a day off work.
My work involves a lot of travel.
My work involves a lot of travel.
He is promoted for his hard work.
He is promoted for his hard work.
I try to work efficiently.
I try to work efficiently.
Their work is recognized worldwide.
Their work is recognized worldwide.
I will finish my work soon.
I will finish my work soon. Thanks.